Hello everyone, welcome to Sekolah Highscope Indonesia Bali. I'm Igusti Aiswarini, a student of PPG dalam jabatan 2023 from Ganesha University. Okay, through this video, I'm going to show you how I teach the students in the classroom. Let's go! Okay class, how are you today? Good, fine. So how was your lunch? Okay. So today you are going to be with Miss Ayu, okay, in this session in Hela subject, right? Okay, but before that, is there anyone not coming today? Krishna. Okay, so Krishna is not coming today, and then Kalista and Dira. Okay. So before we start, who's gonna lead our prayer today? Okay, Nico, please. Thank you, Nico. Okay, so are you ready? Yes. Okay, but before that, we are going to play a game. Name count until 5. So every time you got the number 5 and multiple 5, it's your turn to share about the things that you like. Okay, so what? Maybe like favorite food or maybe favorite movie, favorite story. It's up to you. Okay, just the one who got the number 5, 10, 15. Okay, until 50. So, are you ready? Yeah. Okay, start from me. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. What do you wanna share? Sushi. Okay, thank you. Next, Hannah.
6, 7,
10. Okay.
Favorite film?
Yes.
Favorite film?
Yes.
In bioskop, please, in bioskop Barbie.
You like Barbie? Are you Ken? Okay. Okay. Next, Jaden. Before 35. And then? 40. 40. Playing games, okay. Got already one. We count until 50. So I hope that you are ready to have our class today. Okay, so let's see what will we learn today. Here, so what will we learn today? I already mentioned that today we are going to discuss about writing. Okay, so in this session we are going to learn about how to write a text, yeah, in a coherent. Do you know what is a coherent means? Forgot? But do you ever heard about it? Yeah? Who ever heard about it? Yes, Gang Atta. But you forgot about the meaning? Okay, coherent means that from one ideas to the other ideas is connected. Okay, so we are going to try to write a text with, what's that? It's connected from one ideas to the others. Okay, and then here Miss Ayu has the, what's that? The story. Have you ever read or maybe listen or watch this kind of story? Have you? Yeah? Okay, so bawang merah and bawang putih. In English we call it red shallot and garlic. Who still remember the story about?
I forgot how I remember.
You know the story but you forgot the story? Okay, so Miss Ayu will read the story then for you, and then later we will check, we will discuss about the story. But actually here is the story, but since it's too small for you, yeah, I guess that you cannot read it clearly, so that's why I wanna read it for you. Okay, so let's listen for the story. Okay, so along with her stepmother, Bawang Putih share a home with Bawang Merah, her stepsister. Okay, so when Bawang Putih was a baby, her mother passed away. After everything was finished, the old woman returned the clothes. She also gave Bawang Putih a gift. The old woman had 2 pumpkins. One was small and the other one was bigger. And Bawang Putih had to choose only one. What do you think? Which one then the Bawang Putih will choose? The big one or the small one? The small one. You remember the story then? Yes, Bawang Putih was not a greedy girl, so she took the small one. Bawang Putih returned home after thanking the elderly lady. Finally, they realized their mistake. They apologized and Bawang Putih forgave them. Now the family is not poor anymore. Bawang Putih decided to sell all the jewelries and use the money for their daily life. The end. Okay, so that was the story about bawang merah and bawang putih. Did you get some point from the story? Yes. What's that? Be respectful to other. What else? Yes. Always. Yeah, be nice. Be kind. Behave.
Always be a good person.
Okay. Be a good person. Yes.
Don't be too greedy.
And don't be too greedy. Yeah. This kind of story also we call it narrative text. The narrative text, like we find in the story, there is a sequence or some events on it. Okay. And then here. Okay. Let's see now from the story. Okay. So this is the mind mapping. Okay, the mind mapping of the narrative text itself. Okay, so let's try to find the title. Do you still remember the title of the story before? Okay, so we find the title. What about the characters that you find from the story? Bawang merah and bawang putih, ya. Okay, the conflict or the problem from the story. So the solution after that? Apologize. Yes, apologize to bawang putih. Yeah, and then what about the moral value? We find the moral value also in the mind mapping of the, yes, the moral value. Yeah. Yeah, being grateful that what you have, and then before I got, yeah, be respectful also. The mind mapping for the narrative text itself. Okay, and then next, since you still remember that the text itself, it's belong to folklore. Okay, this is about the narrative already, yeah. And then now, this is the poster also. Okay, this is our project. Okay, so we are going to find your groups, and then you can discuss with your group the text that Miss Ayu prepare you on your Google Classroom. So you may check it. You discuss with your group first, and then you can find the moral value itself, and then let's try to create the story based on the moral value that you got. I will call your name. Discuss with your group first which text that you want to choose for the moral value. So you have to find the moral value, and then you can decide. For example, Princess Mandalika, you find the moral value first, and then after that you can try to create the story based on that moral value. Okay, you got it? I guess it will not finish for today, so you can continue maybe because you will share with your group Google Docs, so you work together with your group. So everybody should be active in your group. Yeah. So let's set the time. When will we have the presentation? The next meeting? When? Monday. Okay. So we are going to have presentation on next Monday. So now let's prepare it with your group. If you have some question, okay, let's feel free to ask me. Yes.
The presentation.
Yes, the
You mean we're gonna be reading the story out loud, or are we gonna be acting it out?
Reading the story. Just present it to your friends that can tell about what text that you choose, and then the moral value, and then your story, and then we can ask the other audiences about what they think about the story. Is it related? Maybe they have their other opinion. Okay, that's related to the competition. Okay, so what about you? Okay, you work together here in the group. Okay, so I can see that your friends already joined.
Batu Golok?
Batu Golok, yeah, Golok Stone. So you choose Golok Stone here. What group are you? Group 1. Okay, Golok Stone. The mind mapping, so you can discuss first which text that you want to choose. Here is Batu. Not yet. Okay, so you can check first the 3 texts that I prepare you. Batu Golok, and then Princess Mandalika, or Lelampak, yeah, Lelampak Lendang Kau. So you can choose first, and then together with your group you read it, and then you find the moral value. Yeah, find the moral value, and then after that you try to create the same moral value but different story. Yeah, You got it? So you will make it together with your group. Yeah, okay. Why Jaden is different? Jaden didn't get the link. Your friends already got the link. The Jaden got the link? It's different. Can you? Not yet. It's different. See, like got Atta. So where's yours? So the leader will share the link. So Gendis, did you share it? Share the link, Gendis. Here's the link. Ida Putra and Jaden. This is to WhatsApp. Okay, check. So make sure I will check. Make sure that everybody already in the same document. You got it already? Okay, you got it. Okay, same. Oh, okay, here. Which text that you choose? Princess Mandalika. So who's the leader here? Princess Mandalika. Mandalika. Group 4, right? Okay, group 4. Okay, thank you. You sharing already, right, to all of your group members? Yeah, okay, thank you.
Cek dulu.
It's okay. If you already know what do you want to write, it's okay. Just go on it. Yeah.
have to be about the story that we chose, or does it have to be similar?
The moral value itself should be same.
Oh, doesn't have to be the same character.
No, it's you create your own characters, your own setting, the event also. Okay. Tembus buku. Ready? Yeah. So which one? So how is the progress? Is there anybody already type something? Share the idea?
We write a
Oh, okay. So you choose Batu Golok for the text? You choose Batu Golok. Group 2 ya, Batu Golok. So what about you? You wanna choose Princess Mandalika?
Saya mau baca dari dulu.
Okay, discuss it with your group then. Okay. Oh. How about you juga? Have you share the ideas? Yeah. Oh, okay. Nice. You already find the character. Yes. Okay. Lombok. It's okay. It's in Lombok or whenever you want because this is just fiction, right?
In America.
Yeah, it's okay. Maybe outer space is okay. Okay. You find it already? The title? Have a shot. Wow.
Woi, nama karakternya apa? Nama karakternya si Purba.
You start to create the story already?
Yeah, we're starting it.
The title? Okay. The characters? Not yet. Okay. I guess we still have 5 more minutes. Okay. Oh. Yeah, you got the instruction at the last one. When it's finished, then you try to put it on the Canva. Yeah, when it's already finished because it's ready for presentation next Monday. Okay.
Does it have to be in a poster, a presentation?
It's up to you because we are going to publish it, right? So you just make the design by with your group. Okay, finished already? Not yet. Yeah, it's not yet because it should continue later. Okay, so I can see that everybody already put into the same document, right, in the Google Doc. The graphic organizer or the mind mapping that you made now, you put it in the narrative text column and then you need to submit it. So I will check first. Okay, you can submit it tomorrow in your Google Classroom and then after that on Friday I will return it back to you. Then after that you are ready to put your text into Canva. So you are ready to have presentation on Monday. Okay, you got it? Yes. Okay, so I think so. Do you find any difficulties during making the narrative text with your group?
Yes.
Yes. What is the difficulties?
What is it? Discussing with the group because we all have different ideas.
Okay, you have different ideas. So, and then how is the solution?
We have to match all of our ideas together, but some. Okay, so one of the person in this group is trolling in the in the work. They're trolling. They're writing Rickroll. They're writing their music lyrics right now.
Okay, but then you find the solution and you find the ideas in the same group, right? Okay, another group, is there any things, difficulties you find? No, first group already fine. How about the third group? You're doing good also? Okay, thank you. So, that's for the activity today, okay, the class today. So, you already learned about writing, okay, sharing the ideas with your friends in your group. Because we start our activity with praying. So, who's gonna lead our prayer? Okay, Nico again. Yes. Okay. So, Nico. Okay, thank you. So that's the end for our activity today. I will see you on next Monday. Thank you. Good morning, 6-7A. Morning. How are you today? Good and fun. Okay, I'm so excited to see you today because this is our second meeting, right? Yes. Okay. So is there anybody not coming today? Krishna again. Okay. Who else? Sam. Oh, okay. Samuel or Sam. Yeah. Who else? That's it. How about Dira? Dira, are you here? Okay. So last time you didn't join, right? And then how about Kalista? Kalista here. Okay. So today you will be with Miss Ayu. Okay, for our Hela subject. Okay. Before we start our class, who gonna lead our prayer? Okay, Jaden, please.
Is everyone ready? Yes. I'll bring story.
Okay, thank you, Jaden. So, for the second meeting today, do you still remember what are we going to do for today? Present our story. How was your discussion with your group? You done? Jaga told you to do everything by yourself?
Yeah, I wanted to read it and then I asked him, who's gonna introduce all the members? You do everything.
Oh no. What do you think? Is that the way? So today, make sure that everybody got your turn so we can know about the story or the writing that you made. Okay, so are you ready? But before that, Miss Ayu has a song. Do you still remember about, do you know the song of If You Are Happy song? You forgot it? So, yes, Jaga, you still remember the song? Okay, so the song is like this. So, if you're happy and you know, let's clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, let's clap your hands. If you're happy and you know, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know, let's clap your hands. Now your turn. You can give the idea about the movement. Miss Ayu will mention your name, so it means that you are ready to tell the movement. Are you ready?
I'm scared.
Why scared? Like this. For example, if you're happy and you know, let's Miss Ayu call your name, maybe Anjali, so you can say the movement.
Oh, okay.
Or maybe like nodding head, or maybe roly-poly. It's up to you. Okay, and the rest of your friends will copying. Okay, can you? Are you ready? If you're happy and you know, let's see. Jaden.
Apa ya? Apa movementnya? Clap your hand.
Clap your hands. Oh, what tap your hand? What?
Clap your hand.
Tap your hand. Okay, if you're happy and you know, let's tap your hand. Tap, tap. If you're happy and you know, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know, let's tap your hand. If you're happy and you know, let's choose your friend. Come on, Vika. If you're happy and you know, let's. Come on, the movement.
Gini.
What?
Tepuk ini ya.
What's that? Tapping elbow. Okay, tap your elbow. Tap, tap. If you're happy and you know, let's tap your elbow. Tap, tap. If you're happy and you know, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know, let's tap your elbow. Tap, tap. If you're happy and you know, let's do.
Hit your friend.
If you're happy and you know, let's hit your friend. Hit. The near one. If you're happy and you know that your face visually showing. If you're happy and you know, let's hit your friend. Hit. Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay. So now, are you ready to have our presentation? Ready? 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 No. Why not? Because today you are going to present the writing, okay, your group. Okay, so let's see the first one. The first group. Okay, ready for presentation. Hop. Okay, so first group, come on. Come on, come here.
Okay.
Listen to the story, so you will know what's the characters and the setting also, and then the event. So later when the presenter finish reading their story, so yeah.
So this is our story. I forgot to add a title. I'm so sorry. Okay. So once upon a time, a boy named Uchup was playing alone near the lake. He was running around and jumping from rock to rock while his mother was busy minding her own business. His mom suddenly saw a celebrity walking by and left the place for a bit so she could ask for an autograph. While his mom was gone, Uchup accidentally fell inside the lake. Since he didn't know how to swim, he started to drown. His mother was not aware of his screaming and cries for help, since she was busy with the celebrity. After she was done, she looked around and realized her son was missing from the lake and was gone. She saw Uchup's unconscious body in the lake and cried for help. Luckily, people came to swim and to save Uchup. Uchup survived, so his mother was left still sobbing and begging for forgiveness because she didn't pay attention to him. In the end, Uchup forgave his mother, and then his mother became a more alert and pays more attention to his son. Oh, sorry, to her son. The end.
The end. Yay! Okay, who's next? You can ask.
Moza.
Yeah, Moza.
What happened to CBS?
What happened to?
CPS did not exist in this timeline.
What is it called?
Child Protection Services.
Child protection.
You don't know what that is? Okay.
Child protection. The child protection services are too lazy to
Um,
come by the river.
Next question, if there is any. Okay, what? Yes, please, thank you.
Okay, so thank you for the presentation. And then, what do you think about the event? How many events did you find there? The situation. Oh, Jaga will answer. What about you? Do you find the events? I mean the situation, because the characters already, the setting already. What about the events? So how many events that we can find on your story? Only one. Atta?
I think
4. Okay, Atta said 4, and your group said only 1. So let's see. What are they? Okay, go.
in my opinion, the 4 events are Uchup
Ucup
The beginning was what?
playing in the lake,
in the lake. Okay.
and then the second event is when Uchup's mom
Ucup's mom.
Uchup's mom met a celebrity and
Celebrity.
went to him to get an autograph.
Okay.
And then the third event is Uchup drowning because he can't swim.
Okay.
And then the fourth event
Yeah.
is the people finding Uchup and saving Uchup, and the mother begging for forgiveness.
Okay, that's the solution also,
Yes,
right?
very correct. Do not listen to Jaga.
Thank you. Okay, so that's the story from first group. Okay, thank you, first group. So that's from first group. Here it is, the second group. Second group are Gung Atta. Wait, Gung Atta over there. Wait, Gung Atta, Gede Putra, and then Jaden, Tantri, Raisya, and Gendis. Maybe Atta will be the one who will answer the question. You will be. Okay, who will be? Okay, here.
Okay, good morning. 6, 7, 8. So we're from group 2. So our group member is Raisya, Jaden, this. Country. And Atta.
So we're presenting our narrative text. The title is The Deep Sea.
Yay. Yay. Okay. Once upon a time, a duchess named Wixie lived in a kingdom called the Foresters. She's very popular around town, and many people adored her. She had many friends and often visited orphanages or libraries to read and donate to the kids. Yeah, go on. Yes.
Because a lot of things that we can find there. Who created the plot? Who created the plot?
Who else but me?
Only you? What kind of friend?
I helped her like
The top, the very top one. The boxes like
everyone
events.
just
I think the
No. They do nothing.
so later maybe when we put it into Canva then they have to be
Yes.
I've give the link in the WhatsApp group, but they don't read it or.
okay, so later then you have to discuss again, okay? Because the due date for the Canva itself should be tomorrow. So
Oh, okay.
you can ask the other friends so they got their part also into your group. Okay? Yeah, another question? Things in the story. Yeah, so many things happen in the story. But can you find any specific things from the story?
Anything special, anything unique.
The climax maybe the biggest problem, so they can find the solution. The one who's the mermaid, who's that?
Mermaid.
Yeah, mermaid. Mermaid.
That is a mermaid.
It was Wixie, right? Wixie. Oh, Wixie, yeah. It sounds like candle wax.
Wixie brought her friends to the shore and she came to Daniel's house to apologize and regrouped with her friends.
Okay, so that's the solution. So that's the second group. Thank you for your presentation. And the next third group, come on. The third group.
Good morning, 67A. Okay, so we are from group 3, and I am Kyla. This is Moza. This is Angelica. This is Ara. That is Dira and Vigo. Okay.
Once upon a time, there lived a mother who was gifted a daughter at Christmas, and they were a ranger family. The names of the mother was Ginger, and the daughter was named Jingle. One day, Jingle went to explore the forest, but before that, her mother said, "Stay here and don't go anywhere." Then, of course, Jingle says, "Okay, Mom." Then, when her mother
Okay. So that's the short story from Netflix. Yeah, that's about Jingle and Ginger and Jingle.
My question is, what story did you base this off of? Kayak Batu Golok or what? Okay.
Yeah, thank you. Group 3 already done. Thank you, group 3. Okay, and then the last group. Thank you. The last group. Yeah, group 4.
Hi, so we are group 4 and we're gonna present our story. So we are a group with Jagek, Janet, Sam, Hannah, Kalista, and Krishna. The title is Path of Sacrifice.
One day, in the world of humans, sirens, and mermaids, there was a siren named Isabel. Isabel was nice and humble. Isabel was one of the sweetest people in the palace of sirens and mermaids, and her friend Alex was not. He was one of the people who ruled the kingdom of mermaids and sirens.
Okay, so let's give comment on the story. Do you got any moral value maybe?
So the moral value is actually about someone sacrificing for everybody to be equal. Yeah, like that.
Okay. Yes, thank you for group 4. Okay, give applause to group 4. Yeah, you may sit down. Okay, so here's the time is up. So, Miss I wants to know about any difficulties that you find when you're working with your groups? No. So you can do it by your group? Okay. So later I need you to revise your writing and then make it into Canva and then send it to the Google Classroom. I made the folder already. Who wants to conclude the activity that we have done just today? Okay.
Okay. So
Angelique.
So today we reviewed we read our stories, presented it to everyone. We asked them questions, they asked us questions, and that's it. Thank you for listening.
Okay, so the last session. Prayer again. Who lead the prayer before? Jaden. Okay, Jaden please.